Here I am back to work again. If you hear some noise in the background, well, yeah, that's the air conditioner. Can't live without it because it's 104 today. But I'm doing my frame thing on this 57. This is a 57 Chevy. And this is the frame to it. This is actually a handyman wagon. And with these handymans, everything in the 50s, even the Fords did this. They mount from the front of the block. That's the front mount. And then the rear mount is to the bell housing. And then the transmission just hangs free. This conversion kit right here, which I had to look up and watch the video because I didn't understand it. But first, cut these things off, get rid of them. Don't need them anymore. There's the LS mount for the motor, and this is the LS mount for the transmission. And that's where I was kind of wondering what's going on here, because all you need is that tranny cross member, but they gave us all this stuff. So I actually listened to the video, and they said this is frame reinforcement because these old cars won't hold the frame together. And sure enough, you can see all the clamps here I've got. This frame was almost 3/4 of an inch out from being bowed, and you can see there's a 1/2 inch on that side too. And that's because the frame is bowed. I mean, this frame has been hit in the front, no doubt about it, because you can see where they've hooked the chain to it and pulled the ears out, and you could see where they'd worked the buckles out of here, and you can see them underneath there where it's buckled. But I'm trusting that the frame is straight. But yeah, I'll get these things welded in. I got some extra clamps, and we'll get this thing ready to put the body on top of it and start doing some body work.